Hi beauties!
Hi sexy people.
Welcome back to our channel. So we've been gone for quite a while. I apologize for that, but we are back and we have a bunch of exciting videos for the lineup. What are we doing today?
Well, today we are going to do another exciting BOXYCHARM video.
Boxy.
Sounds amazing.
This is for February, and I believe you get 5 products in there. So let's open her up and see what we got. I saw a bunch of things online that was really excited about this box. There's an info card in there, seeing as how you're great at pronunciation, so you can go ahead and grab that. Alright, so what's our first item?
Well, this box is the Afterglow.
Ooh.
So we have a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. The whole sex part just made me just go, ooh.
And how much does this retail for?
Okay, this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara retails $24.99.
Okay, and there's a 12-month shelf life, and there's 8.0 milliliters in here, or 0.27 milliliters, so there's a lot in here. So we open her up, and this is what she looks like up close. This is why I was excited about this box.
Ooh.
Something's wrong with our wand.
Wait a minute.
Do you see that?
Ooh, we got an oopsie.
Like, the inner part is actually missing.
Yeah, the googly.
And this feels empty. Fill that. Like, it's dried on the brush, and there's nothing in there.
Yeah, there's nothing in there. Like, we got an oopsie. We got a bad one.
Okay, so, I mean, this would have made the box for me, but...
Listen, okay,
it's
moving
broke.
on. As you can see, if it worked, and it was together, it isn't together. But look how cute it says Better Than Sex on it, okay?
You're giving kisses.
This sex part, right here, got me. I was with the Too Faced. Ooh, sex.
So we'll set this guy to the side. We'll talk about this later.
Yeah, we'll get another one.
Okay, what's next?
Okay, so now we have Pretty Vulgar Bronze and Bronzer.
Ooh, this is what this looks like up close. Okay, and it's called the Bronze Bee 1113 and Bronze Mannequin. You get
What is it called, the Bronze
5.7 grams, and it lasts for 24 months. That's pretty.
You should open it up.
That's pretty.
That is gorgeous.
Looks like.
Right, gorgeous.
Doesn't smell like anything.
Okay, now this Bronze Bee bronzer retails for $32. This vegan matte bronzing powder gives your skin a natural radiant looking finish, enriched with the ultra smooth, oil-free, lightweight pigments. This bronzer allows for easy blending and perfect coverage. How did we do with this one? Did we get this one good? Rosie's just licking it off. Where is it? Oh,
I like this one. That's cute.
yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Now we have a Touch of Soul.
Which one is that?
Touch of Soul is Seamless Canvas Foundation.
Oh, the No Problem Primer?
This is a Touch of Soul No Problem Primer.
Ooh, okay. How much does this retail for?
That retails for $18.
Okay, and it looks like you do get a total of 1.0 fluid ounces or 30 milliliters, and it does last for 12 months or 7 months.
All right, so that is the Touch in Soul,
And
the
how much does it
No
retail
Problem
for?
Primer, $18. You can go to touchinsoul.com. Oh no, I'm sorry, Touch in Soul Glow. Okay, create a seamless canvas with your foundation with your new Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. The light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. Go get some clothes on. Can you edit that? Hope so.
Yeah. All right, what's next?
Now we have Coco Cabana Cream.
Ooh.
Okay, this is Sol di Giorno. Coco Cabana Cream. Retails for $20.
Okay. Smell it. Ooh, okay. Oh, that smells like a cocoa cookie.
She does. She smells like a cookie.
That smells good. And let's see how many ounces you get in this. Does it say on there?
Well, I will tell you that it sells Sol di Giorno Coco Cabana Cream instantly transforms dry, dehydrated, irritated skin into its softest, bounciest, most luxurious version of itself. It's oil and water. Gel cream texture kisses the body with cocoa sugar blend of fermented sugar and nourishing cocoa oil. Hold on and hug nourishing moisture for 72 hours. Deliciously scented with their Cheirosa 39 fragrance with mouthwatering note of coconut, toasted praline, and
That's what
warm
I'm smelling.
vanilla latte.
Smells like a coconut cookie. I love this.
She does. She's a coconut cookie.
That's good. I like this. I'm going to buy this in a bigger size.
Yeah.
2.5 fluid ounces or 75 milliliters, and it lasts for 24 months.
Ooh.
All right, what's next?
Okay, and last but not least, we have our magnetic luminous eye color nude stick.
Yep, this is called Copper Foil. 2.8 grams or 0.10 US ounces.
And it retails for $24.
Really? For this little guy?
For that little guy.
Okay, that's pretty. She's pigmented.
Okay. Oh, where'd you put it?
Right there.
Oh, there she is. See it? I think the ring light's not doing her justice, but
There you go.
there you go.
Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so pulling out my calculator, we did pay $21 for it. What's the actual retail price of these? So the first item, how much was that?
The first item is $24. The Better Than Sex mascara.
Okay.
It retails $24. The Bronze Bee bronzer is $32.
Okay.
The No Problem primer of Touch de Sol is $18.
Okay.
Coco Cabana cream, $20.
Okay.
And the nude stick,
24.
$24.
Okay. So we paid $21 for these with tax, $22.65, and the total overall value is $118 even. So when you minus the $21 for what you paid for the box, you actually get a value of $97.
Awesome.
So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, now if we could just use that mascara.
Yes. So getting back to what we do in these videos, we always like to rate the boxes, if we would use the items, if there's something wrong with them, of course. So I usually give things, if I'm going to use it and I like it, I give it a 1. If I don't like it, but it's pretty, I give it a 5, or a point, a half a point. So for this one, I would give it a solid 1.
I'd give it a 1.
Okay, so we got a 1. What about the bronzer?
The bronzer, I'd give it a 2. It's kind of cute. I like the box.
So 1 for this one as well. So right now we're at 2.
Bronzer. Ooh.
What about the cocoa cream? We're going to give that
The
one a 1.
cocoa cream because it smells like cookies. Come on, let's give it a 2 or a
We're
3.
going to give it a 1. All right, cool. So we got 3. And then what about the nude stick? I'm going to give this a half a point.
Aww.
Reason being, so I give things 1s. If I like it, we're going to use it. I do like this, but the only thing is I'm never going to reach for this. Like, it's going to sit in my drawer. I'm going to forget about it. I'm never going to use it. And they wanted how much for that little stick?
That little stick is $24. You better want to use it, but look at... I mean...
She's pigmented. That's my point. She's very pigmented, so I'll give her half a point. But I'm never going to use it. It's just going to get thrown in my makeup drawer and I'll be like, oh, 7 months later, I'm going to use this. Well, no, it's expired. And for $24, it's not something that I'm going to overly reach for. I would probably buy this in full size for that price. So half a point. So right now we're at, what, 3.5?
Yeah, I think we could give it a solid 4. You know, I would give it actually higher, but that mascara...
I would give the box a 4 too, but the mascara. So this is a 0. This is really disappointing, and this is really why I wanted, looking forward to this box, because I was in there, and that would have sold the whole box, but it's empty and dried and clumpy.
Yeah, this is broken. This is...
Terrible.
There's nothing in there. And there's no... See how gooey it is?
Yeah, there's no... What is that called?
The stopper. Whatever the stopper is that stops the goo from coming out.
Yeah, it's gone. And I
Yeah.
looked inside the cap. It's not in there either.
I'm making a gooey mess, but yeah, this is worse.
Yeah.
I made it worse. Okay, bye-bye.
So for this month's box, I'm going to go with 3.5.
Yeah, 3.5 is...
Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, BOXYCHARM February. I think we ended our final thoughts at 3.5. It was a better box. I just think that the nude stick we really would not use as often. That's why I got half a point. And as far as that mascara, that was pretty terrible.
Yeah, I think 3.5 is really great. Really was excited for that mascara. Oh, I want to give it higher.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for watching. We enjoy your comments. Don't forget about the Jeffree Star mystery box that we have going on. That will end in March. We'll have a whole video announcing winners. There will be 3 of those. What do you have to do to be entered into the Jeffree Star giveaway?
So to be entered in our Jeffree Star video, it is just watch the videos. Give us a thumbs up, like the videos, share the videos.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to the videos.
That's the big one. Subscribe.
The big one. You have to subscribe. And, yeah. And just comment. Oh, my gosh. Comment, please. We love your comments. We're responding to all the comments as fast as we can get. And once again, thank you for your time in watching our video.
Stay beautiful.
Stay sexy.